business stuff, programming, building things, switching tabs. Oh, hi. So, yeah, there's a little stupid little bit there. So my name is Barran, and I really wanted to start a YouTube channel in a very long time. So I decided today I'm gonna wake up and do that. This channel is gonna be just Barran, or I included just do it yourself Barran, which is me telling myself to just do the projects I want to do, as well as you can also spin it, just do it yourself with Barran, all these kind of things, because the idea of the channel is to help me as well as to help you. The channel is to help me do more of the projects I want to do. And stop being lazy. At the same time, I want to give you guys some value in terms of share some of the ideas I have, ideas and experience and knowledge I have when I do my projects, get a feel of how I go about doing my projects, so I can assist you guys with all the tech projects and all the projects that you guys might want to do on your weekends, and just make your life a little bit easier by using some of the technologies that I use. So yeah, that's a little introduction to the channel. As you know, if you like the idea and you want to support, and give me encouragement, you can always subscribe somewhere there. I'm not really sure first episode, so I don't really know where the YouTube button is. I think it's gonna be here. Oh, might be here. I'll probably just edit that to suit. So this video, I'm probably gonna just give a little walkthrough of my room, some of my past projects. If you guys like a past project and you want me to just bring it back up, let me know in the comment section below, as well as any other ideas you guys might have or you might want to do that I might also be interested in doing, and then I might be able to start it before you, and then you could probably jump on as I do the project also. So yeah, that's about it to the channel. Just a little background myself. I did electrical and computer engineering. I a hacker. I like to take existing products on the market or existing garbage I have around my house, hack them and make them into something very useful and very usable for me. And I would like to encourage other people. Well, I live in Trinidad and Tobago. I like to encourage other Trinidadians and Caribbean people to also do the same. Try to hack your way through everything in life. Life is a game you must play to win. So, as you know, this is the Just Barran YouTube channel. Subscribe. So, let me see if I can put it towards me. So the idea is right now I'm actually gonna go around my room and give you guys a little tour of some of my past and present projects. If I didn't say that before, I'll probably just edit this. So bear with me. Again, keep an eye out for projects you may or may not like, and let me know what you think about some of these projects, if I should do an overall walkthrough or some other updates that I could probably put on them. So we're gonna start here. This is my bedroom controller. Now it had Wi-Fi and it was connected to Amazon Alexa before, but I changed my router behind there and I have to reprogram everything. So the idea is I actually want to update this. This right now uses an Arduino Nano to do all the control. I actually have a plug and stuff. I'm not sure if you guys can see it back there, but essentially with my cell phone or Amazon Alexa, I could have just take this and control all of the products in my room. And also, well, the coolest feature of this is I could actually use it to control my air condition, right? So a little cool explanation of this project. So this board has an infrared receiver, infrared transmitter. This is to control the AC unit above. I'm measuring temperature, humidity. I have an LDR or light dependent resistor here that will be used to detect whether my room light is on or off. And all these are connected and routed around my room to control various relays that control different things. One of the cool features about this, I actually have a wire around here all the way around, and it's a little sensor above my door that determines if the door is open, and if the door is open and the AC is on after 10 seconds, it will actually switch off the AC automatically, so I don't waste any power. Additionally, I have a PR sensor here, and what this does, it tells the system whether there's movement in the room, and then it switches off the light on and off depending on whether I'm in the room or not. So I no longer have my mom crying with me about, I don't pay light bill and these kind of stuff. So that's really cool about this. And the idea was the system was be able to control via remote, cell phone. Well, my phone is recording this, and Amazon Alexa. Now I don't have the Alexa hook up also because I had to use it for another project, and I was just too lazy to set it back up. Right. Another cool thing about this desk, it actually has LED strips run around it. I will post a video here showing how it used to look, but again, I decommissioned that project for about 2 years ago for whatever reason, and I really want to put it back together, right? So, and then I actually also have, you see, this is a little speaker system here. I'm not sure you guys could see with the light, and I actually have a servo attached to my speaker to control volume via the remote system. So that was one really cool project. Yeah, metals, right? Across here, I have my lab. So I actually power on the lab via the remote by clicking 3. No, that was AC. Sorry, 3, right? And I have a solder iron that I designed for a lab. A solder iron that I made from a lamp. Sorry, as you know, proper soldering iron technique. Oh shit, this thing's on. That was really bad. Yeah. So yeah, so I have my solder iron here. GoPro, multimeter, various tools. This was another project, this monitor. This is actually an old laptop display that I actually connected a display driver board to. So now I kind of recycle the display, and now I can take things like TV inputs and TV outputs. And I think I just slightly damaged it because everything is held down by a glue stick. So again, something else to fix. Right, the boards. So this desk also was another project. I actually added rollers to it so I could have a reload for my computer repair and cell phone repair and laptop repair stuff. This is my camera gear and stuff that I have. I have a GoPro 4. This is what I'm gonna be using for other videos so that I don't require my phone. Here I have my DJI Mavic Pro. I'm not sure, and you guys could probably tell me. I really want this channel to stay very niched to do-it-yourself tech. In terms of I might be just using Arduino or Raspberry Pi, these kind of microcontrollers. I love microcontrollers, by the way. This is my passion is microcontrollers. I love programming. I love building these things. I like programming things around me. But I also do a lot of drone stuff of recent, and I want to know if you guys might think it's a good idea to also incorporate some of my drone videos into some of my just incorporate drone videos on the channel in general. Now, this was actually another project I did, so I'm not sure if you guys might like it. It's a separator for clothes. I actually think this is one of the most useful projects I did, so I could probably do a video of how I went about building these separators. Again, I think it's one of the most useful projects I did, and that's why I think it's worth mentioning. It's not necessarily tech-based, but I think it's one of the most useful projects I ever did. Okay. Right. Lastly, in this cupboard, this is my storage room lab. This is the Red Man God here, right? Cause, so this is where I store my tech stuff. There's a next project I want to work on is this light stopped working. The LEDs basically died after years, and I need to replace all the LEDs and probably add some kind of new program or control into those kind of stuff, right? I have all these little cables and stuff I collected over years, the crappy metals from races I run. But this is really where I store every all my electronics and stuff. So like if I go here, so I have discrete components here. So I have here and here I have like you can see I have all my little transistors, diodes, ADCs and stuff. And if I open up here, I have all my LEDs organized, switches, toggles, all my stuff. Now a lot of the projects I do are actually Arduino based and Raspberry Pi, mainly because I find those microcontrollers are very nice to use. I do have some picks on so these are microchip PIC 18 and pick 16 that I kept, right? Again, I told you already, so a lot of my projects revolve. So there's a Raspberry Pi. I think this is a 3B. So a lot of my projects will revolve around the Pi, the Arduino and stuff. I'm really into drones, so I might do some drone projects. This is my little trainer drone I use when I teach kids. I like to use that to let them fly. This is a project I've been pushing off for a long time. So it's to make an autonomous vehicle. Probably go through here, see what the projects I have. This was actually one of the first, this was the base of my first room controller. So you might probably go a little bit more into that right here. Oh, wow, I forgot I had this here. Let me see if I can get it out. So this was a really cool project. So this is a WB15 programmable LED strip, and this was actually a mask that I used for Halloween. This is an old, this is Aki. So I have a lot of projects here that I just never ever, that I need to probably revisit. Again, a bunch of Arduinos and yeah, Sunfounder kits and stuff that I have all over the place. So again, I have a lot of potential for projects all around. So yeah, the first project I actually really want to go back and do over is probably my room controller. I think it's a really good idea to start with that and maybe some other smaller projects and get my other stuff going. Yeah, I like to run marathons and stuff, so that's why I see all those medals and my my bibs from when I run races and stuff. So yeah, so that's just to give you an idea of how the room operates, how much fun it is to do some of these projects. So like, oh, a last little cool feature, so like if my door here is open, right, and I try to put on the AC, it won't come on no matter what, because the door is sensing that the door is open. So if I close the door and I try it again, you'd see it'll come on. So, and if I was to open the door, you can see I'm not pressing anything on the remote. After about 10 seconds, it should automatically take off the AC. Yeah, so you see it takes it off automatically. And this is my board here from last year of things I never accomplished. Actually, let me just anything, this is actually 160. So I never reached this last year, so I need to over. Never reached this. I did about 28 running events. Yeah, wrong. Yeah, still have a 0 pack. Still have $0. I actually did 2 Instructables. So I could probably post that up on my channel also. I'll probably start a new Instructable channel. And in terms of, I'm no longer wanting to do PHP. I am actively learning Python right now. And the goal is to post a video, to upload a video every week. I may or may not miss some weeks, but the idea is I'm trying to really be consistent for myself and also for the channel. So that being said, I'm not sure if I forgot anything else to talk about in terms of this pilot episode, but stay tuned and subscribe if you want more. If you like the video, make sure and hit that like button. If you want to add some suggestions, let me know in the comment section below, and stay tuned. Just be yourself, and I'll just be Barran. Stop.
You doing that too?
Making a YouTube video.
For what?
For my YouTube channel.